Today we are going to travel. We are going to travel from the north to the south, discovering the food of south of India. In fact, my first food journey to Chennai actually made me realize that there is so much more to South Indian food than what I used to think. And today there is a very interesting person who's going to join me and who's going to cook along with me for that yellow table, and he's a person who speaks a lot. Welcome to my yellow table. Thank you so much, Manan, for joining me on my yellow table.
Chef. Pleasure is mine.
Tell me something. You're a radio jockey.
Yes, I am.
And I've also heard that you can read and speak out really fast.
Yes, I can speak really fast. We know what I'm doing. और हिंदी में बहुत फास्ट बोल सकता हूँ. जा सकते पंजाबी बोलते, चार लैंग्वेज बोलते, चार हिंदी, इंग्लिश, पंजाबी सारे बोलते हैं. मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, जितने स्पाइसेस मैंने खाए जिंदगी में सब मेरी जबान पे आ जाते हैं. I really love food.
Fantastic. Can you just read that menu again?
Panakam, pickled chili, prawns, avocado, coconut curry, and Malabar parantha. मैं पहले जहां कहीं भी जाता हूँ, I really eat food first. I generally whichever city or state I travel, I eat the local food. वहाँ का बेस्ट क्योंकि हर जगह सब कुछ मिलता है, लेकिन उस सिटी में जाके वहाँ का लोकल फूड खाने का that's yummy.
Actually, so I can't get the South India right here,
Right.
but I can make you travel to South of India.
Definitely.
The access will be some fantastic South Indian food.
Right.
So beginning now, we're going to do an avocado coconut curry. We're going to do this typical Malabari curry, which usually people add prawn or would add fish to. I've taken out the prawn or the fish. I've added an avocado.
What the fish?
Yeah. So let's begin with the curry.
Yes. So in South India, when you go to Chennai, right, we say "Illarum ipadi ringe," means how are you all welcome to the show. That's in South Indian style.
आप कुछ भी इंगड़ पिंगड़ बोल के बोलता हूँ, मैं वैसे नहीं समझ आनी.
But this is the generic way or the technical way with which people welcome in South India, especially.
That's what I'm saying. अगर वो गलत भी आपने बोला, मैं सही बोलूँगा. मेरी knowledge zero है इसमें. All right, we begin the curry with coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is a very flavorful oil.
Right.
At the same time, it's a oil which has got a very low smoking point. यानी बहुत देर आपको इसको गैस पर नहीं रखना, तो इसके धुएं छूट जाएंगे. All right, oil is hot. I'm going to add some dried red chilies. Just crack them a little so that they don't burst in the eye, and then I'm going to add some methi ke dane, and I allow them to just crack up a little, and then I'm just going to add mustard seeds. Slicing some onions. I'm going to chop some garlic. In fact, just slice it. And we are going to add lots and lots of ginger.
Ginger. I believe it's good for digestion as well.
Yeah, it's good.
Right.
So, ginger really gives a very nice punch, a good flavor to this curry. Green chili, maybe one.
Chili, yes.
Just slit it. That's about it. All right, now ginger, green chili, garlic, and onion. All together. Now, at the same time, we're going to add some curry leaves. It's a very fragrant, it just adds that magic into the dishes. And how simple this curry would be. It is actually one of those curries which takes no time to cook, and you can really add whatever you want. You want some vegetables, you want meat, you want seafood, anything that you want. So you really don't have to brown the onions. Now we're going to add the spices. Turmeric will be a little higher because we want the curry to be a little yellow. Then I'm going to add some red chili powder.
Is it any measurement to it, or it's just according to your taste how spicy you want?
Well, if you want the measurements, you need to log on to www.ndtvgoodtimes.com and look out for my yellow table, and all the recipes along with the ingredients and quantities are going to be there. So I'm adding some dhania powder, a little extra. Just a little water.
Yep.
So that the spices don't burn. In the meantime, I'm just going to take one tomato.
So in case if you want to add some tomato puree to it, will it work, or you have to have this?
Fresh tomato always works best. add the tomatoes. And this is the time when we add some salt. I'm adding some water.
Okay.
Just to cool it down a little, and we're going to add some coconut milk, quite a lot of it actually. Now see the colors changing.
Turning it to be yellowish.
Now we'll quickly cut the avocado. Now how you cut an avocado is you put a knife here, twist,
and slice into two.
now turn around the seed inside, out, and pop it open.
So what's the main role of this avocado in this dish?
It's a very versatile ingredients actually. They don't really have a very strong flavor of their own. They're a little buttery texture.
So one question which is striking my mind right now is how does it taste like? Means it's sweet or
Tasteless. It has no taste. So when something doesn't have any taste, once you can say that yeah, tasteless. The other thing that you can say is that whatever that you blend that in, it just takes over the flavor of the dish that you put that in. If I put it on a curry, it'll just soak up these spices and the masala and the coconut milk from the curry. The curry is almost ready. Now we need to just thicken this curry. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pour some water and I'm going to add a small spoon of rice flour.
rice flour?
Yeah, that's rice flour.
Is it easily available in the market?
Yeah. So usually जो curries होती हैं, just to thicken them, few of them, not all, in
Yes.
South of India they use rice flour.
Okay. And we'll directly add it to the curry.
Simmering curry, pour in the center,
Right.
आराम से. Yeah.
Okay.
So you give it a boil again. Also, imli ki khattas is very important. So we've got some tamarind pulp, which is basically tamarind soaked in water. So I'm just going to add a spoon. I think it's done.
Really?
It's a little spicy. It's going to be a little hot. You have to be careful.
Right. So let's taste it. Bingo.
That's all.
Everything in perfect ratio, chef.
Now, about the avocados, they are a very, very delicate fruit. So, if I was to take the avocado and put it in the curry and just cook it, it'll be like murdering this beautiful superfood.
Yes.
So, what I instead do is, I'm going to just place the avocados inside my bowl. I'm just going to pour the curry onto the avocado. So this is coconut and avocado curry a la Malabar style, and this goes onto the yellow table. Can you?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. We have spoken about South of India.
Yes.
How can we miss seafood?
True.
These are beautiful Cochin prawns, and I have come up with a recipe which is pickled chili prawns right there.
Yes.
It's a very, very simple dish, and prawns, they don't take much time to cook. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to cut the prawns, just slit them rather.
Right.
Now what we're going to do is, we're just going to keep them on one side, and we're going to take this nice chili achar.
Chili char.
Okay, ready-made chili achar. I'm just going to take out the masala inside. Yeah. Put this chili back. Now using this masala, I'm just going to rub it inside the prawn. Very little, not too much.
Okay.
And then just close it so it just sticks onto the other side.
We're doing it to just get the flavor of the pickle into it?
Absolutely. Pickled chili prawns. जो ये pickled chili है, जब ये prawns पे rub होता है, because prawns के साथ में sharp flavors like lot of lemon or vinegar, all that goes. So pickle is just apt. और अगर वो मिर्ची वाला pickle हो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. All right, we'll put a pan on fire. make sure it gets hot. In the meantime, I'm just going to chop some onions.
It works as a stress buster for you, I believe.
Yes, it does. I have to agree.
Move on quickly. Done.
It does, it does. Some garlic chop. So I'm going to add some butter. Butter really works, huh? Chili, butter, garlic, onions, curry patta and prawns. It's a beautiful, deadly combination, huh? So you don't have to brown the butter. Turn the heat low, and that's the time you add the garlic
And onion into it.
So now we're going to sweat the onions and the garlic together. I'm going to add some curry patta. Almost there. So what I'm going to do is just going to drop in the prawns here. 1, 2, 3, and chauthi bhai sir.
Okay.
And I'm just going to drop in a little bit extra masala of the masala from the achar, so that the onions get the flavor of the chili. They gather the little salt and the spices from the chili. Also, one of the favorite spices of the south is the black pepper. Little bit of pepper. So we allow the bottom side of the prawn to cook first, and then we're just going to turn over the prawn. And as the prawns cook, they start curling, almost like blushing, with their tails going absolute pink. Now's the time to turn them over. Look at that color. Look at that. ये एक ऐसी डिश है जिसके अंदर आप उंगलियां चाटते रह जाएंगे. Alright, this is going to take another 5 minutes. Why don't you guys go rush, take a break, and come right back on My Yellow Table.